Welcome to Porcupine. Stand here on YouTube with Selbet. Here is a channel dedicated to Kumasi Asante Kotoko news, authentic one. A breaking story, days before the story, and if you want Kotoko news, there's the channel you should subscribe to. Dedicated to Kotoko news. The new story I am back. The basso the ania the assem now. If you normally watch my video, you see this particular banner just behind me, and this banner is Asante Kotoko training tour in Europe 2024. Ninja say Kumasi Asante Kotoko company for decided said in collaboration with Vroom, there's a firm here in Ghana. I decided to say call a pre-season tour Europe in 2024. Now, I'm a special launch of this program and a kukudame ba ono na enya asem ketwa obenya Lord Opukunti Abdulrazak, Uncle George Kennedy, Nana Pinkra Kwesi Ewa, the IMC member, Kuntumpunya Feihine was there, Emmanuel Newton Dasbury, a lot. All the Kotoko stakeholders, a kukudam ninyina na omo dwumadi ase. Former Asante Kotoko player, right back, in Samuel Inkum, was also at the venue. Our ambassador at the Vroom, I was a Jumediase. Now, during the launch of the pre-season tour, officially, Omo Kachiri in Ase Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Eddie Kine and the clubs nibi enyanti asiedada. In this case, Genoa, and the club in Atlanta. These clubs have included Asante Kotoko in their pre-season plans. Say pre-season Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebisi akan. Now during the conversation, and you may ba bontini bi ne say Kumasi Asante Kotoko team bebo Germany, Italy, Switzerland, and France. Na kan say they don't want to mention any club officially Kotoko in send your chinebin enkofe nimguasie embre Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So Genoa and Atlanta at that time was confirmed and omokan. But they told us in the coming days they will still be updating us on the Asante Kotoko training tour in Europe, which we all know say open for Asante Kotoko fans to also join and be part of this history. Kotoko pre-season with Europe also beka ho na omako. Na ena sources are close to a Porcupine stand. Yede yaso atoto from everywhere. We can confirm it to you that at this moment, Kumasi Asante Kotoko training tour in Europe, the third club, waba beka ho confirmed. Bit media amount, Schalke 04. Any dear oha. Ababetoma, we can confirm it to you. Say, Koma Koso, ama Schalke Adiatum, the account pre-season plans on Womani Asante Kotoko. So, like I was saying, that is the story at that Schalke 04. Schalke, Hona Babaraman. I remember Babaraman played for them. Kevin Prince Barton also played for Schalke. Ghana for now about Schalke, and Ebidimba Antonianan. I remember after the World Cup also joined Schalke. And yes, there have been Ghanaian players at Schalke 04. So yes, club or Germany now confirmed Schalke 04. Now we all know say this particular event, ABSCC paying amount for boom, and people normally don't trust companies when even though Kotoko they don't trust them. But from what I know, maybe free banunya baby ketwa, and there's constant communication between Fikesiem and Vroom, our more lead this particular project. Makasa, there will be an interview on this show. I ever publish it. And a whole lot of issues. But as of now, the authenticity of this particular tour, Adia Chinyana gain grounds because one, they are saying say Watching maybe do June Honado Basa or Peso Qua a bad thing because they need to process your document as soon as possible. Send away a fanner. You can also join Kotoko for this historic preseason. It's a watching that January, February, March, April, and we didn't come out. It will come up, but maybe I'm out to April if you don't make an arrangement. So, Peso Kubia. I'm trying to tell you, say, why how be kono o me catch you say omwa no me kan but every hour dey be o me ka so mo process ya ma be den nti o mo ntimi nye. So if you want to be part of it, then you need to as soon as possible do the arrangement so that you can also join Asante Kotoko for the preseason. Also mo can say kits kits the kit sponsor. I said, don't forget the whole brand signed 1 year contract with Kotoko. So the kit sponsor, I home come by any news at the anymore say or porcupine stand at the anymore. But we follow protocol, so we cannot talk about it. But I can also indirectly tell you, sir, Omasi Asante Kotoko and the whole brand, anything is possible at the end of the season. BBA Kotoko can go to the preseason well dressed, well branded, but probably it might not be the whole brand. And I could call the So yes, the new to me Schalke for, and that is what I can tell you. Again, don't be surprised. Say, a Spanish club, Edin APM, say preseason now and say initially during the unveiling of the Kotoko preseason tour, no, man fa any Spanish, man kase Spain ka ho. But so that's sorry. Now it is a Spanish club because there is communication that I can tell you between a Spanish La Liga refs Africa and organizers of Kotoko preseason tour in Europe. Omo pe community where at least there are Ghanaians who kakra and some of Mufra Monteno and no other factors will come in. It looks like I'm going too much. So other sorry now it's a Spanish team. Don't be surprised. Yes, it's legit. There are French clubs. There is a Spanish club still in the process, about 70% done. And now, any 100% done, I remember Schalke 04 is done. You can now start believing in a year Kotoko preseason tour in Europe. And also, like I'm saying, this is what is happening, and it's gaining grounds every day. Don't forget to also participate if you want to join Kotoko for this particular year trip. No, the kind of advantages of this trip, the kind of exposure the Kotoko team, in June to July, but the processing of the documents will definitely take time. Participate, but confirm Schalke, which is massive. So Girona, Atlanta, Schalke, even if it turns out, say, maybe a Kotoko or maybe a senior team, even if it's their under 23 team, I'm sure say a bad for Asante Kotoko. Say, Ubetimi do players now run it through that level. Even if the first time, they say, they are under 23, maybe they are under 23 of Genoa, they are under 23 of Atlanta, they are under 23 of Schalke 04. Even if this is how it's going to be in par, I can still tell you, say, that will be massive for Club Kotoko, the project Kotoko, the image Kotoko, and the brand Kotoko. No, it will not be bad for them. And maybe a terminate me but you all know that standard are dropping. And the standard dropping out the source and page mubiema and kakra no asan den apeja standard. So that is the good news. If you are by regards to Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Schalke 04.